Thank you for joining me today. My name is Bernard Crespi at Datatel Payment Technologies. What we're going to explore today is AI agentic commerce, a concept that is starting to reshape how digital transactions actually happen. So for roughly the last couple of decades, digital commerce has followed a very consistent pattern. A person searches for a product, they compare their options, and then they complete their purchase online. Every e-com platform, every website, every checkout flow has been built around this assumption, and that is that humans are in the middle of every step. But that assumption is starting to change. Artificial intelligence is introducing a different model. We're now seeing AI systems that can act on behalf of people and organizations instead of someone manually searching, comparing, and buying. An AI agent can perform those steps automatically. So based on some rules, preferences, and boundaries defined by the user. And that shift introduces a very different question. What happens when the buyer interacting with your systems is no longer a person, but an intelligent system acting as their proxy? And that's that transition we're starting to see. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the questions that business and technology leaders are beginning to ask. So what is agentic commerce? Let's start with a very simple definition. Agentic commerce refers to transactions that are executed by AI agents acting on behalf of a person or an organization. In traditional e-com, the buyer does most of the work. They search for the products, they compare the options, they evaluate pricing, and then they complete the purchase. In the agentic commerce model, that responsibility shifts. The user defines the intent and the boundaries. That could include things like what's the budget, the preferred suppliers, delivery timelines, or quality specific requirements. So from there, the AI agent takes over. It can search across multiple marketplaces, compare options, evaluate trade-offs, and select what it determines to be the best outcome based on those inputs that were given by the person or the business. And once those conditions are met, it can complete the transaction automatically. So in practical terms, the AI agent becomes a digital representative of the buyer. A simple example would be a consumer asking an AI assistant to find the best flight within a certain price range and book it. On the business side, it could be an AI automatically reordering inventory when the levels drop below a very specific threshold. The key idea is this. The AI system is now performing the operational work of buying, not a human.